Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. I'm in Joann fabric and you know what that means. Let's go shopping. So my store has about 50%, maybe 60 of their inventory for spring hitting the shelves. I was surprised. I know it's been really tricky for most retailers with shipments delayed, but they have some cute things. So I'm going to share those with you first. Okay, this bee skep birdhouse could not be any cuter. Let's get the elephant out of the room. I know this is a bee skep, not an elephant skep, but Joann has high prices. I said it, we all know it, we can address it and move on. I always love to come in here for some inspiration, and I'm loving all the wood tones that they're doing for spring. So they have the round shelf and they have a vertical house style shelf with the metal detail on the sides. And I don't know what type of flower that is, but they did it in a lot of their pieces. I'm going to show you guys. So if you know, comment down below, remind me, because I cannot recall for the life of me. They're also doing some mirrors. Mirrors are running pricey. They're about $100, I think like $99. And I'm loving the wood frames. So they're definitely on trend in here. They have a lot of gray for spring, which I don't love. I would prefer some green. They did do a little bit of green. And I do have to say it kind of has that cottage look that everybody is kind of drawn to right now. Now, I think gray is a good addition, but I think they did a lot of gray. What are your feelings on the gray? I think it makes sense in pieces like this with the metal. I do love that little birdie. Love birds for spring or any time. They also have a lot of floral. We're going to see more of that when we get to all the pillows. And boy, do they have a lot of pillows. Lots of green and yellow also in all of their pieces. And I am seeing some wood mixed with gold. This piece is so gorgeous. Now it is priced at $60. It's already on sale for $41. And I did check and they have everything I'm showing you and more on their website for spring. So you can check out any of the pieces that you like, see what the prices are, and see what the sale price is because everything is discounted already. I did like this idea. I think it's really cute with the hanging little pieces and floral. They also have a home sweet home in the creamy and black. Down here, some more floral pieces. Wood forget me not. Okay, forget me not. Is that what that flower is? Oh my goodness, I'm wondering if it is. All right, I wanted to point this out because I've seen a lot of medallions for decor. This is a clock, so it does have the clock mechanism. Very clever. And then they have a hanging basket in the gray. Now, while they're doing a ton of gray and neutral items, they also have a ton of bright yellow we're going to get to here in a minute. These are hanging ceramic pieces, very cute in the yellow and the gray. Let me know what your favorite colors for spring are in the comments. I'd love to know. I am really loving this trend, which is all of the wood pieces. I just think it warms up all of those white walls that I have in my home. So they do have really nice handles in the silver. I think this frame is absolutely gorgeous. And now more gray. There is going to be some green over here, and then we're going to get into the yellow because they have some bee items for all you bee lovers. So I thought this was really cool, very simple. Now these have the appearance of maybe cement. So they've got that one and another one I'm going to show you. They also have this one with the 3 different florals down the center. Here is a look at the other one. I put them side by side so you could see what they would look like next to each other. I love some botanicals for spring. These are just a little too neutral for me. And this one with the green I think is a nice touch. They also have some wood pieces down here. What I'm noticing is that things are pretty much across the board. $25, $30, $35, $40 and up in here. So they're a lot like Kohl's. If you're familiar with Kohl's, you'll know what I'm talking about, where they price things really high so that they can bring them down in a quote unquote sale. Now into some of the brighter items. So this yellow, I don't know, you guys, to me it looks like a highlighter yellow. It's a little too bright. I wish it was a little softer. I do like this piece in the green. Green is my favorite right now. Home sweet home. It's kind of cottagey, but then it's next to this really modern bird piece. And I'm going to start showing you guys some bee items. So they do have a bee hanger. They also have one in a medallion hook. I'm looking for some of those for the kids' rooms. Now this is my absolute favorite bird feeder, even outside of the skep. I think these are adorable. All their bird feeders are running $29.99. There are like 2 that are $34.99. They also have a really cute botanical welcome sign, and this one with enjoy the little things. Now it has gray in it, but I like that they added the wood tone. I think it warms it up as opposed to this one that's just really kind of washed out. They have a lot of that saying, home sweet home here. I'll show you some pillows in a minute. Also that saying on it. It's really cute. Picnic basket birdhouse. I think that is super cute. Now I've never had a birdhouse like this size. I'm wondering, do birds really go in? Now this is a really fun piece, a wooden, I'm calling it a cutting board. It's what it looks like. It says hello spring, another wood piece. It's your time to bloom, and some more neutrals. So some throws, some different little pots, no prices on them. You know my theory on that. If there's no price, that means they're free. Over here, some pillows and another wood piece that I think is absolutely gorgeous and overpriced, $50. On sale right now, I think for $30. They also have these hanging ceramic pieces in two versions, in the green and yellow. Those are two of my favorite pieces actually. And this planter, oh my goodness, it's such a good size. I love that it has the drainage hole. It is metal, no price on it. I think they're literally unloading while I am here. Down here they have some more planters. These are really pretty. So that's kind of a smoky blue, and then they have some smaller ones in bright yellow. I also think this little guy is pretty cute. Guessing a bird feeder for that one, and then some light up lanterns. They have the wind spinners. Here's another lantern. Now this one's a hanging one. You could actually do it from the roof, maybe on a patio. They have some bird feeders. This one's a lightweight metal. And then this one, which, my gosh, it is so pretty. I believe it was $70 though. So probably on sale for about $49.99 is what I'm gonna guess. And it's gorgeous. They also have a watering can up here with some green detail and lots of large glass pieces. So they're definitely going with the green and gray together. I'm seeing a lot of that, and even these little pieces are so pricey. They also have these really cute hanging planters. I do like these a lot. They come in gray, which is the smaller one, and then green is a larger one. I think they actually come in both colors, both sizes. They have leather hangers, and I just think that these are great. They're right up my alley. They also have some place and time outdoor lighting. So you'll notice different metal finishes. They've got sort of a bronze and a few different colors to choose from. More birdhouses, more planters. No prices on these, and I don't know about you, but I'd prefer if they were just plain so that you didn't have to turn them around when it was no longer spring. They also have this gorgeous bee pillow. Okay, now we're gonna get into the pillows, and I will tell you, I didn't find any pillows for less than $50. They're all marked at like $49.99. There might have been one or two that were maybe $39.99. But these patchwork style were the highest, and I believe these were $59.99. They also have throws, and they're priced high as well. I believe $29.99. Here is that Let's Stay Home. Here is a long lumber. Together we have it all. Lots of green. Now these are the perfect pillow for my house. It's exactly what I'm looking for, but they're $60 and I just cannot do that. Also comes in this, that's sort of a rustic jute, but that's like a pink color. I think I'm going to give you guys a close up here in a second. These are the smallest ones. Pretty much every pillow has tassels that I'm noticing. My dog will destroy those. But yeah, love a neutral pillow. That's beautiful. They also have this one in a knit, and then lots of this. I'm thinking this is an olive print. That's what it looks like to me in the green. And here is a close-up of that pillow just so you can kind of see. It's more of a pink than a beige or neutral. They do have a lot of these prints that I'm showing you on the pillows in their dish towels and stuff that I'm going to show you here in a second. So you kind of get the idea from their home decor pieces, all the hanging pieces, the pillows and the throws, as to kind of what their themes are. Now, like I said, not everything is on the shelf, so we'll definitely have to come back. This large pillow is really sweet and really well made, but ooh, the price tag. Now over here, they also have some hanging pieces. This was very interesting. So these are actually concrete and they're heavy. So it comes in sort of a dandelion, and in this one that I'm assuming was supposed to be lavender. Now some really cute dish towels. The thing about Joann dish towels is that they're pricey. They're like $9.99 to $14.99 for one dish towel, which is not budget friendly. But this one, if you are a bee lover, you may want to splurge on. They have some of the cutest bee things. This one is super cute with the lavender and the little bees sort of sprinkled in. Then they've got these, which are pot holder and a oven mitt. $35 for the pair. That's without a sale, so you'll have to see what the sale is this week. Now they also have a table runner in the bee print, and this, which is a placemat. Now, I looked at the price on this and it is $20 for one. So pricey, but very cute. They also have a set of, I'm calling them dessert plates. Those are also pricey. I believe $24 for a set of 4 plates. Now for some of their bird feeders. Okay, I have to tell you, they are the cutest bird feeders ever. I love this one in the popcorn. I just think that's too cute. Tell me if you have experience with bird houses, not feeders. I think I've been saying that wrong this entire video. Birdhouses, do they actually go inside? I would love to know because those holes are super tiny. Now they also have a lot of metal pieces hitting the shelves. Not sure about these. Still thinking about how I feel about that. But one thing over here I wanted to show you guys was this. I love it. It is an outdoor garden stake. It is mushrooms and it is solar and it lights up. So I actually found one that was lit up on the shelf below to show you guys. Each mushroom has a few lights, so I don't know, I think that's super cute. They also have the gazing balls in a few different versions. The textured one, this one's more of sort of a darker color, and the clear glass as well. And then they have this, which I'm in love with. It's battery operated. It is a hanging lantern, but you guys, it's $100. It's $100. They also have the bird houses in the yarn, and then they have these, which to me look very hearth in hand. They're $80, $79.99. They also have this, which is a gorgeous terrarium. I love that it has the wood base. It's a very good size, also priced at $80. One thing I will say about Joann is you don't find things that you find at other stores. These are very unique, like the birdhouse that is the sewing machine, or koala wind chimes. Never in my life ever have I found koala wind chimes anywhere. So if you know a koala fan, you may want to check them out. They're also putting out some spring crafting items, things that would be great to pick up on sale, DIY, and create your own decor. I do always love their wood pieces. This is one of my favorite pieces. It's a little picket fence planter. You could hang it or set it down on the ground. They're also putting an end cap together of mushroom items. So they have this in the Home Sweet Home. They're putting out mushroom themed dish towels. So definitely head in if you are a mushroom fan. They've also got some small ones in wood. Oh my goodness, so much to choose from, and I am surprised at actually how much they have. Thank you all so much for coming with me, and I'll see you back very soon.